Baking soda, a home remedy for dark spots.
Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing an easy, cost-effective home remedy for dark spots on your skin, utilizing a common household ingredient, baking soda. We're going to guide you through the best method for using baking soda to remove those unwanted blemishes.
Why baking soda?
So why exactly are we using baking soda? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a gentle exfoliant that can help in the removal of dead skin cells and reduce the appearance of dark spots. It also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a versatile home remedy. However, it's essential to note that it's a strong alkaline substance, so it's crucial to use it in moderation to avoid skin irritation.
What do you need?
What will you need for this home remedy? Here's a simple list. 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of water or rose water. Rose water can provide additional skin calming benefits. A clean bowl and a spoon, a clean washcloth.
How to apply?
Let's now discuss the process of applying this mixture to your skin. 1. Mix the baking soda with the water or rose water in a clean bowl to create a paste. 2. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. 3. Apply the baking soda mixture to the dark spots with clean fingers or a cotton swab. Be sure to apply it only to the spots and not to the entire face or area of skin. 4. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. You might feel a slight tingling sensation, but if it burns, wash it off immediately. 5. After 10 minutes, wet the washcloth with warm water and gently wipe off the baking soda mixture. 6. Finally, moisturize your skin as baking soda can be drying.
Important tips and warnings.
While baking soda can be effective, it's important to note that baking soda is not suitable for sensitive skin, and it should always be used sparingly and cautiously. Never use it on open sores or cuts, as it can cause irritation. Always do a patch test on a small, non-visible part of your skin before applying it to the affected area. Don't use it too frequently. Limit use to once or twice a week at most. So there you have it, an easy and inexpensive way to reduce dark spots using baking soda. However, always remember that skincare is personal and different for everyone. If your dark spots persist or you experience any adverse effects, we strongly recommend seeking professional medical advice. Thanks for watching and take care of your skin.